Ara. I'm grade 7. I talk about motherboard and CPU. This is motherboard. Motherboard is the main part of computer. We build the other part on it. Guys, CPU. This is CPU. CPU is the central processing unit, now as a brain of computer.
My name is Aska. Today in computer science I would like to talk about hard drive, so let's begin. Hard drive is a storage device in a computer used to store data, including the operating systems and user files. Hard drive has types such as the HDD hard drive and SSD hard drive. Now let's go to RAM. Random access memory is the computer's short-term memory that stores data for quick access by the processor. It loses its content when the computer is turned off.